Ever since the 28th of October when Telegram Messenger introduced the Replies 2.0 update, I've been getting the same question from a couple people. Why is there a boy kisser on my screen when I reply to you? First of all, you're hallucinating. And secondly, it's quite simple to do. Now, if you're the average user, you'll notice that you only have the default packs to choose from instead of any custom emojis working. The reason for this is again, quite simple. The emojis that Telegram lets you use have to be adaptive emoji. What's an adaptive emoji? It's an animated emoji pack that has been marked to follow your theme color. Most emoji packs out there are just static, animated or video packs, which is why you don't see them show up as options when picking a reply icon. To make an adaptive emoji pack, we'll need to start with an animated emoji as a base. Those who have made animated, not video, stickers in the past will find this quite simple. But I know most people haven't the slightest idea of how they work, so here's a tutorial. You'll need a program to handle vectors and a program to export the animation. Most people use Adobe Illustrator and After Effects, but not everyone wants to be a pirate. So a free alternative would be Inkscape and Glaxnimate. I've placed chapters in this video so you can skip to what is relevant for you. Open the software of your choice, make a new project, and ensure it is 512 by 512 pixels. In Inkscape, this can be done by going to File, Document Properties, change units to pixels, and then set width and height to 512. In Illustrator, make sure you change points to pixels, then type 512 by 512. Then start making your design, or import an SVG file and scale it correctly. Color doesn't matter, as it will be ignored when we upload it to Telegram. Once you're happy with your design, save it as an SVG if you plan to use Glaxnimate, or an AI or EPS file if using After Effects. Assuming you're using Glaxnimate, select the Telegram sticker preset, ensure the resolution is 512 by 512, FPS is set to 30, and then the duration to be 1 frame. Go to File, Import, select the SVG, then go to File, Save As. Set the type to be Telegram Animated Sticker, TGS, then save it. For those using After Effects, you'll need the Body Moving for Telegram plugin. Get that from this GitHub repo, which can be found in the description. Then install it with the ZXP installer. Once it's installed, restart After Effects and you should have the Body Moving for Telegram stickers available under Window Extensions. Create a new composition, set the width and height to 512, frame rate to 30, and duration to 1 frame. Hit OK, then import the AI or EPS file. Drag the file into the timeline, then right-click it and select Create Shapes from Vector Layer. Once that's done, remove the original file from the timeline as we don't need it anymore. Head to Window, Extensions, Body Moving for Telegram stickers, check the circle on the left, click the ellipses on the right to set an export path, then hit Render. Now that we have our TGS file, head to Telegram's StickerBot at Stickers. Make sure you have the right one with the verification checkmark. Start the bot and type /new emoji pack. Select animated emoji, then click or type /adaptive to enable adaptive emojis. Now just give your pack a name, then send the TGS file. Type some associated emoji which closest match your emoji. Now just send /publish/skip and give your emoji pack a URL. Click the pack link you just made and click Add Emoji. Now head to Settings, Chat Settings, Your Name Color, add icons to replies, your emoji will show up. Click on it and hit Apply. Congrats, you can now show off your custom emoji in replies. If you want to add more emojis in the future, follow all the steps again, but simply type /add emoji to append new ones to the pack you already created. If you found this tutorial helpful, buy me a coffee using the link in the description. Or check out my animated stickers on Telegram. Until next time!